In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use your cell phone to earn Bitcoin. All right, guys, in just under 10 minutes, we're going to walk through exactly how to do this. So we're going to be utilizing the platform called Kryptex. They've been around for over 10 years now, a very reliable, well-known platform within the crypto mining industry. And first thing you need to do is you need to create an account. So I'm going to leave a link directly down below to this website. It'll take you right over to here. And create and register your first account with Kryptex.com. Once you've go ahead and created your account, and you can do this on your phone or directly on a computer. I'm just doing it on a computer because it's a little bit easier to show for today's video. Once you're logged in, you're going to be exactly to this screen. Now, before we go jumping into anything here, Kryptex has a few different products. So I want to make sure that you're involved with the correct products. When you go over to their website and you go to products, they have a few different ones up here. The first one is the Kryptex Miner. That is one that you actually install on a computer. And so if you're more interested in that, I have a full guide on how to do that and earn crypto Bitcoin from your computer directly. Check it out down below. The second one is Kryptex Pools. Let's say you have a bunch of different crypto miners, GPU miners, full-size ASIC, solo Bitcoin miners. You can mine directly to Kryptex as well and get paid out. I'll leave a link directly down below to going ahead and taking a closer look at that. There then is a Kryptex mobile app. Now, this is not the miner app. This is just a mobile app to get a closer look at your machines, your dashboards, your payouts, your hardware when you're on the go from your Apple or your Android phone. The last one, which is the one we're going to be talking about today, is the Android Miner. All right, so I'm going to be showing you how to do this on an Android phone step by step. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to load up our browser and we're going to go to the website Kryptex.com. That's Kryptex.com. We're going to click the hamburger menu in the upper left-hand corner and we're going to select products. Now, once you're here, you're not going to select the Kryptex mobile app. That just allows you to monitor your hardware. If you're interested, you can, but we want the Android Miner, which is the one right here, mine on your Android device. We're going to select that. Now, this is going to have us download the Kryptex Android Miner. It's actually an APK file, so I'm going to click download, and it's going to warn you here, file may be harmful. Do your own research is what I'm going to tell you guys. If you decide to move forward, continue following along with me. So we're going to click download anyway. Once that's done, we're going to click open in the upper right-hand corner, and it's going to tell you action not allowed. You do not have permission to perform this action. Contact your organization's IT administrator. So we need to allow APK files to install directly on our phone. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, so next thing we're going to do, and this is really specific to Android devices, we need to allow those apps to install. So I'm actually going to swipe up from the bottom and go to settings. Once you're in settings here, we're going to go down to apps, which is right here at the bottom. Once you're into apps, we actually need to go to the top right, click on the three dots and go to special access, and then scroll down to install unknown apps. Now, it's going to have deny all, and what we're going to do is we're going to allow it from Google Chrome and for my files. Now, you can go back in and turn this off when we're done if you're concerned from a security perspective. Once you're done with that, we're going to go back now to the home screen. We're going to go back to Google Chrome. We're back to the Kryptex site, and to follow along, we're going to go to Products, Android Miner, and we're going to select Download Kryptex Android Miner. We're going to say, download that file again. Sure, that's fine. Not a big deal. Just makes it easy to follow along. And it's downloading the file. And when that's finished, we're going to hit open. And it's going to say, do you want to install the Kryptex app? And we're going to say install. All right, that is finished. And we're going to hit open. And right here, it's going to allow us, do we want to allow notifications? I'm going to click allow. And now we are at the home screen here. We're not doing anything yet. We're currently just logged in to the app. All right, so the next thing that we're going to do is we need to get it connected to our Kryptex account. So we're going to hit settings in the bottom right-hand corner, and under email or username, this is your Kryptex email or username. So for me, it is thehobbyistminer@gmail.com. And some settings to look at here. what are we going to be mining? So we're going to earn Bitcoin. Okay, we're going to talk about that more in a minute, but we need to mine something that is compatible with your phone mining. And there's all different items in here. Monero is the most profitable. And then we're going to select for our region, North America. Now you do have the option to solo mine if you want, but today we're just going to be looking at straight Bitcoin mining. So now we're going to go ahead and go back to where we are with mining. And on this screen here, I want to explain a few things. From top to bottom, it's showing us we're mining Monero, and it's going to tell us what our hash rate is. We have this big button right in the middle and we're going to click that in a second to get started. It shows us our accepted and our rejected rate. Mining in the bottom left, there is a log available if you have to troubleshoot it, and then settings, which we were just in. So let's go ahead and start that mining process. Now it's going to say stopped optimizing battery usage. Kryptex miner will be able to run in the background. Its battery usage won't be restricted. That's fine. We're going to click allow. So we're going to go ahead and give it a few minutes and check back. All right, so it's been a few minutes and we are up and hashing away. You can see that there, and it may vary. I've seen as high as 400 or as low as 200 in that regard. Now at the bottom here, there is a log section that you can look at. And if you have any issues, you can take a look. It'll try to explain it the best it can within there as to what exactly is going on. But other than that, I recommend that if you are going to do this, that you do leave it plugged in. And based off your phone's age and the system resources is really going to vary off of exactly how much hash rate that it is going to do on Monero. Let's jump over to the computer and take a closer look. All right, we're over here on the computer at kryptex.com. Once you're over there, go ahead and log in the upper right-hand corner, and you're going to come to this screen right here. You can always see your total balance. I have $11.01 currently that is available. And go ahead and click hardware on the left-hand side. Once you click on hardware in here, I'm going to go ahead and click refresh. And you can see I have three different, kind of machines on this right now. And where I want you to pay attention to is the very bottom under workers. It says Android. That's super important. You want to make sure that your phone pops up on your account. If it's not there, go through the entire process again. Also make sure your email address is entered in on the phone when we connect that account. But you can see I have three different total machines, including my phone on here. And to be entirely frank, is one phone going to make you rich? Absolutely not. Honestly, if you have a spare phone, an old broken phone, maybe you got a drawer full of phones, this might be a great avenue for you. Or while you're at work, if you want to earn a little something extra on the side, go ahead and boot it up. Make sure you have it plugged in and great, set it off and off you go, which is absolutely fantastic. Now, once you start to accumulate some Bitcoin in here, you want to go to payouts on the left-hand side. Now, once you click on payouts, you'll see all the different payout options that are available for you. There's even Amazon gift cards, PayPal, and then a few different other cryptos. Today, we're going to focus on Bitcoin directly. And so at the top here is the max amount, your balance of Bitcoin. Then it has underneath of it, you can see here what you'll receive. There is a $1.89 fee for the amount that I have. And then you put in your Bitcoin address right here. Now, here's the last one I used, so I could click on that one and hit request payout. If you don't have a Bitcoin wallet, I highly recommend the Tangent wallet. I'll link it directly down below. It is very secure. It runs off an app on your phone. It utilizes one out of these three Tangent cards there. I have a full video on this for beginners, so it absolutely explains how to use it, how to set it up. So if that's something that you're interested, go check it out entirely down below. All right, guys, so that's going to wrap up today's video on how to use your phone to go ahead and earn and get rewarded in Bitcoin. Check that out. We're over 600 for our hash rate on Monero right now. Now, listen, there's other ways that you can go as a home miner. You could go the route of something like this, and this is a bad boy. This is a badass home solo Bitcoin miner. You don't earn every single day with it, but you go ahead and play that Bitcoin lottery for a chance to win almost $300,000 in Bitcoin every single day. And hey, that looks totally cool. I'll leave a link down below to this video and other solo miners if you're interested. If you have a computer sitting by, maybe you're at school, you're at work, whatever, you can also do this exact same process with Kryptex on a laptop or a desktop. I'm using it right here. I'll leave a link down below for a full step-by-step guide. All right, guys, thank you guys very much for joining me for today for this guide and tutorial on how to use your phone to go ahead and earn Bitcoin. I'll see you guys next time.